Okay, so I've got my cardstock for my Daisy May design, box number 38. Very thick cardstock. And I'm going to go ahead and pick one of these icons to color. It says it's alcohol marker friendly. She has lots of fun projects in here and inspiration about coloring them. Look at how I'm going to grab my stamping platform. This is made by Craft Creative Craft Products, and I really like it. I think it's a really great deal, and it's a really well-designed stamping platform. So I'm going to go ahead and use that. So and I love the fact that you can pick up these magnets easily. These are Tonic Studio. These are Tim Holtz magnets, which you can see aren't easy to pick up. And so you just put it where you want it, just coloring. So I'm going to use the space over here. Make sure the smooth side is up, and then we bring our platform down. It has these little like squishy bits that will pick up the stamp for you. And then I'm going to use my favorite black ink, which is VersaFine pigment ink, and Onyx Black, and I like it because it is also takes whatever medium. It doesn't smudge and smear. And then you go down, because I'm not a very good stamper. I hate to say it. I don't know why. I'm just get messy with that. Well, it came out fine the first time, but if it didn't, the beauty of the stamping platform is you could go ahead and do that. I think while I have that on there, I'm going to grab a wipe here. That I'm going to do. Beautiful. Easy peasy. A disarrayed Arteza mangled mess. You just want to find maybe some of these cool blues. You know, sometimes they don't quite look like the marker color, you know. It's interesting. They went around with a color on the outside of the bear to make the white bear pop, and then they cut it out with the dye. Cute. Sarah Jackman Reed. Good idea, Sarah Jackman Reed. Okay. Go in. This is not the channel to watch for marker blending tips, but it is the channel to watch if you are like me and don't know what you're doing. All right. And then maybe we'll do a lighter bit there if I can. So just along like where the shadow would be. Sort of thing. Another color for his hat. Let's do like a light purple. Out. See if I've got the right one here. That's the extra bit. These are some Elizabeth Craft Designs dies that have been out a long time. Scallops and then these little dots, which are fun to layer like that. So that's what that is. So I did that sort of periwinkle purple, and about 4 1/4 by 5 1/4. This is Cosmic Shimmer Glue, and then, okay, easy peasy. And then we have our, I love this tape. This is from scrapbook.com, and I have a scrapbook link down below, but I think it's the best one out of the ones I've tried. So we have our snowballs. We cut out with our dies. And then we have our little bear. I'll reuse this tape carefully. So that's how that cut out. Foam adhesive on those two things, And I think I'm going to go ahead, maybe like that. So it makes kind of a shape like this. And then it's a great opportunity to put a sentiment, which, okay, I'll figure out a sentiment in a second. Here's a card base. That works really well. Normally I would put this on foam, but if I'm going to mail it, I think I'm going to keep it a little bit flat since I have these guys on foam. If I were just handing this to somebody, I would also put this on foam. Sprinkling a little magic. So it's nice to mix and match, get my stamping platform back. I'm going to pick one of the right angles that I haven't cut so I know it's straight. And I'm going to go ahead and glue that on there with just a little bit of a border. And that's all there is to it. You could stamp on the inside with some of these snowflakes and things that you could use some of these snowflakes on the inside and the snow and things like that. Whatever. However you want to do the inside of your card. But just a simple little card with some colored details kind of lets people know you spent some time on them, which is nice. And anyway, I hope that inspires you to get out your dies and things and go ahead and make. There's so much you can make from these boxes. I just made one card, but there are really enough papers to make several cards. So hopefully you enjoyed that. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great day.